Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny. In today's video, we are going to be talking about step number 7 in our 10-step guide. Financial Freedom Can Be Easy 10-Step Guide ebook. Now, you can pick this book up right now and skip all this whole series, me talking and all the hoops and hollers or whatever they say, and sign up for the link below or click the link below and you will get a free copy of this ebook sent to your inbox. You also get signed up for our free weekly newsletter and a free plug and play budget template that you can use at your convenience when needed every month, but it'll also help you with step number 3 in the video series. So guys, I hope you like the series. All that I ask is that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's get into it. All right, guys. So step number 7 is to invest after you build your emergency fund. That means you are literally more than halfway there. You are like 2/3 of the way to being financially free. That's right, guys. If you've gotten to step number 7 and you've completed steps 1 through 6 already, then you are well on your way to being financially free. Now, number 7 talks about investing. And why does it say invest after you have an emergency fund? Well, it's important that your emergency fund is adequately stocked, of course, because you can't even think about investing your money if you're constantly worrying about emergencies and not having enough to survive. Now, money is important because investing is about using the money you have to earn more money. The larger money portfolio or the larger savings account or the larger emergency fund you have, the more money you can potentially earn from that account. Now, the closer you get to financial independence, the more money you will see in your bank account. Now, the single step that will provide you with the most spare cash, so that will enable you to do this one step, is learning to live beneath your means. And that is the main goal to learning how to become financially independent. Anyone can make $1 million and spend $1 million and still be broke. It's all about what you do with the money. So if you have not watched step number 3, or you skip step 3 thinking you have a great budget, go watch step number 3. It talks about living beneath your means. That's when I introduce this free plug and play budget template that you can use. It's free for you to download. And we actually have a client go from having a negative $50 and having to use credit to survive, which again, it's 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now, okay? And if that's you, then you're gonna wanna go watch that and get the free monthly budget template. It's the only one you're ever gonna use again. Definitely go get that. And we had the client go from losing $50 a month to saving over $400 every month, and now was able to get an emergency fund of over $1,200 in less than 3 months. So now he has a $1,200 emergency fund. He's now moving on to step number 7, and that's exactly where I want you guys to be, step number 7. But you can't get to step number 7 if you don't do the other steps first, okay? So don't skip out of them. You need to be proficient in every one of these steps for it to work. Now, as a beginner investor, which most of you may be because my demographic and viewership is roughly around 20 to 35-year-olds, you might not have the knowledge or experience to have the best investments possible, but that is to be expected. So don't be afraid when you first start out, and don't be afraid to ask questions. That's exactly why I created this channel, for people just like you, like-minded individuals just like you. Now, we also have a community of over 70,000 like-minded individuals that share their same interest in what we are sharing here, how to level up their investing game. And if you want that private invitation, that invitation to the private group, then you're going to definitely want to go and sign up to the newsletter and the link below. That'll get you into the private group. So definitely check that out. Now, you could also talk to me on Instagram, DM me, let me know your journey, where you are. I'd love to help wherever possible. Let me know where you are. I'd love to help. So Before you make your first investment, it's also a good idea to spend some time building financial and investment literacy, which you are doing right now. If you're watching this video, this is spending time building your literacy. Now, looking into guides or investing material such as filling your cart up with books on Amazon or subscribing to some financial blogs. I have a blog. Go check it out, investingforbeginnerscommunity.com. You could also check out other personal finance blogs. You could check out podcasts, play around with micro investments. I talk about a $5 challenge that you guys can participate in. Start it anytime you want. It's not like you have to start it in January or February. Start it at the end of the year if you feel more comfortable. But the $5 challenge every day is simply using the $5 and putting it somewhere that'll allow you to make more money. Small micro investments. If you lose $5, it doesn't hurt as bad as if you put in $500 and think you can do day trading and then you lose out on that money and that's it. Okay, we're not gambling here. We're not creating anything that's going to make your life harder. We are creating simple steps to get you to the financial freedom that you want and that you deserve. So investing in small amounts is going to help you, and it's generally going to help build up like your understanding of everything over time, how investing works, how the market moves, how you feel emotionally when you trade. Do you get emotional when you invest $20 and then you lose $5, so it's $15 and you get scared, so you pull the money out and then you do it again and you do it again and you do it again, and before you know it, you have $5. Or you don't have any money. You lost the entire $20. I've seen it happen, guys. Okay, that's not the point. We're not investing. We're not gambling to invest. We're not investing to gamble. Investing can be a long-term strategy. We can build your wealth. I have a ton of videos on dividend investing, monthly paying stocks, and how you can create monthly income investing your hard-earned money. And that's what we want. Now, all these things will help you gain the confidence and the ability to make super sound decisions when it comes to investing. It starts with this video. It starts with doing your first micro investment. And if you are super new, you can sign up with our Robinhood link below and you'll get a free share, actually 2 free shares for signing up. And that could be anywhere from $5 to $200 each. Imagine signing up right now and getting a free share of Facebook, which is like $150 or $179. You could then 3 days later sell that if you want and then invest into something that pays you monthly income. Or you can just own a free share of Facebook. You could also sell the company, pull the money out, and use it to spend on whatever you want. That's the great thing about signing up with Robinhood. If you use someone's link, you will get a free share. So why not use mine? Link below. Get started with your investing career using Robinhood. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week, or tomorrow actually, or the next day, whenever you're watching this, we will have number 8, which is diversifying your investment. We're going to talk about some different investments that you can do besides Robinhood, which is basically like a robo-advisor. There's some gold investing and some real estate investing, and there's some other cool things that you may not know. So you're going to want to subscribe so you don't miss out on that next video when it gets published. Thanks for watching. Hit me up on the Instagram DM or in the private group. Get your free invitation to the 70,000 member private group, free ebook, and the free budget template. Why not? All while signing up for a free weekly newsletter. All yours for free. How many times did I say free in this episode? Not sure, but it is. So go get it. It's yours. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.